Welcome to today's recipe. In this video, we'll be making flaky, buttery croissants from scratch. Follow each step carefully for perfect results. In a mixing bowl, combine flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Gradually add warm milk and softened butter. Mix until a smooth dough forms. Knead for about 10 minutes until elastic. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour until doubled in size. Place cold butter between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Flatten it with a rolling pin into a thin rectangle. Chill in the refrigerator while the dough is rising. Roll out the dough into a large rectangle. Place the butter block in the center and fold the dough over it like an envelope. Seal the edges to trap the butter inside. Roll out the dough into a long rectangle. Fold it into thirds like a letter. Chill for 30 minutes. Repeat this process 2 more times for those beautiful flaky layers. Roll out the laminated dough into a thin sheet. Cut into long triangles. Starting from the base, roll each triangle tightly into a croissant shape. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover the shaped croissants and let them proof at room temperature for 1–2 hours until doubled in size and slightly jiggly when moved. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the croissants with an egg wash for a golden finish. Bake for 15–20 minutes until puffed and golden brown. Your homemade croissants are ready. Crispy on the outside, soft and buttery inside. Perfect for breakfast or a snack. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes.